All right, we are here at the TJ Maxx / Burlington Gold Factory, and check this out. And the elevator's already nudging. Wonderful. We have this elevator here. This was originally a Montgomery Vector, but it got a replacement by KONE. KONE with case is 140. And we're gonna have to wait because this thing has a stupid door timer. It's gonna nudge. There we go. I don't like the way it does that on lower level. Lovely. This was originally a Montgomery Vector replacement by KONE. Here we go. You're at 2. We'll go down a lower level. B2 is locked off. Get our cab view. It's a nice cab. I mean, it kind of does look nice. It's your indicator. Case is 140 buttons. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. We're gonna end the video up at 2. For some reason the panel's a little bit loose. That's lovely. Well, it's kind of sad that this Montgomery Vector got replaced by this by KONE because it was an ADA compliant. And there goes that stupid door timer again. Watch the button go out. This thing runs very well for a KONE. By the way, in case you guys don't know what kind of a model this is a MonoSpace. You can tell by the motor. Yep, MonoSpace. Here are 2. Oh, they beat this time. Uh-oh. Alright, there it goes in. It doesn't run that bad for a KONE. Alright, that'll be it.